Greetings, community. Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. My name is Jamesia, aka James IA, aka your favorite water bearer, Team Aquarius, aka Yaya May. Shout out to my sister. I'm your motivational holistic health coach, and I'm just a vessel to provide you with the necessary tools to make sure that your mind operates in a state of consciousness, your spirit stays lit, and your body is snatched to the gods in every way you wish. Before we bankhead bounce into the video, and yes, I said bankhead bounce, shout out to ATL. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe by clicking the link below. And if you're feeling real spicy like, drop a comment or two. Because what I'm about to give you, I'm about to give you that heat. I'm about to give you some tea. I'm about to give you something you didn't know that you wanted, but it's something that you need. And that is the knowledge from the powers that be. Bars, real rat raw? Where's my record deal? Like, where? So today we are going to talk about what to expect from Wellness Wednesdays. And I know you're like, James IA, just tell us. Don't worry, sis got you. And I know you're like, favorite water bear. Who's sis? Oh, sis? Sis is me. Are you ready? Get excited. First things first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. Sorry, no, I'm just playing. But for real, rest in peace, but that's not what I was gonna say. First things first. I want to give thanks because giving thanks is super important, and that is something that you should do every single day. Gratitude is something, it's not an option, it's necessary. So right now, I want to give thanks. I give thanks for the breath that I have in my body. I give thanks for a healthy mind, body, and spirit. And I give thanks for each and every one of you who support me in love and light. With that said, welcome to Wellness Wednesdays. So I know you're like, okay, Yaya May, now can you tell us? I sure can. Wellness Wednesday is where we talk about diseases that are prevalent in the Black community, specifically with Black women. We will talk about which chakras these diseases are connected to, the food that may help subside the symptoms or tackle the actual issue at hand, and we will also talk about the different herbs that can be beneficial towards these diseases. Just to put the disclaimer out there, by any means, I am not a medical doctor, therapist, psychologist, nor a dietitian. With that said, please abide by all instructions or stipulations given by your medical professional, as all information stated on this channel is considered an alternative holistic approach and should be used as a supplemental aid in conjunction with any medication, prescriptions, or any advice given by your medical professional. I just want to throw that out there. And don't say Jamesia said, James IA said, Yaya May said. Don't do that. Don't do that. I said in conjunction. In conjunction. Together. What your doctor said. So don't come for me. Don't do it. But I just wanted to throw that out there for y'all though. According to the National Institutes of Health, there are 7 diseases that impact Black women the most. And they are heart disease and stroke, cancer, type 2 diabetes, maternal health, HIV, overweight and obesity, and stress. And yes, stress is a disease. And unfortunately, according to the National Institutes of Health, African American women are particularly vulnerable to the impact of race-related stress. And in the words of our brother Malcolm X, rest in power, the most disrespected person in America is the black woman. The most unprotected person in America is the black woman. And the most neglected person in America is the black woman. These statements, along with the facts from NIH, reconfirm why I'm doing this work. Our health is important, and we must take our power back and begin to rise in the health department so that we can operate at our optimal capacity to do the work in our communities and continue to be the movers and shakers in this nation. With that said, stress can cause our arteries to narrow, make it hard for us to lose weight, especially dangerous visceral belly fat, and stress can also raise blood pressure and put you at risk for a heart attack. If you would like to know about different holistic techniques that can help reduce stress, Bankhead bounce into the description box below, shout out to ATL, and purchase your 3-day self-care starter kit. Also, as this is a relationship, I want to make sure that you all are getting what you need and I'm giving you what I know. With that said, please let me know in the comments below by leaving a yes or emoji praying hands if you're interested in this type of content and would like to know about the diseases and the chakras that they're connected to, as well as the different foods and herbs that may help with said disease. I hope that you all have a wonderful Wellness Wednesday. Oh yeah, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and eat your fruits and veggie tables. TTYL.